Welcome to Travel Around Places. In this video, we take you on a journey to Bibi Ka Maqbara, a stunning historical monument located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Stay tuned as we explore its rich history, breathtaking architecture, and fascinating details. This is the ticket counter where you can purchase your entry passes. Here are the approximate entry fees. Indian citizens, 25 rupees. Foreign tourists, 300 rupees. Children below 15 years, free. The monument is open daily from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So plan your visit accordingly. Enjoy exploring this beautiful historic site. This location map provides a complete layout of Bibi Ka Maqbara, highlighting key areas such as the ticket and publication counter, cloakroom, toilets, parking area, mausoleum, mosque, northern pavilion, eastern pavilion. As you enter Bibi Ka Maqbara, you'll pass through a majestic gateway located on the southern side of the monument. The moment you step in, you're welcomed by a beautifully landscaped garden, a serene water channel with fountains, and a straight pathway that leads you to the breathtaking mausoleum at the center. The entire setting offers a grand and picturesque view, making your visit truly unforgettable. This stunning mausoleum, located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, was built in 1660 by Prince Azam Shah, the son of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. It stands as a heartfelt tribute to his mother, Dilruz Banu Begum, Aurangzeb's chief wife. With its striking resemblance to the Taj Mahal, this architectural marvel is a must-visit for history and heritage lovers. As you approach the mausoleum, you'll find a series of steps leading up to its grand entrance. These steps take you closer to the intricately designed structure, offering a breathtaking view of the monument's detailed architecture. As you ascend, you can admire the craftsmanship of the marble work and the symmetry that defines this stunning historical site. A mausoleum is a large, stately tomb or a building that houses burial chambers for one or more deceased individuals. It is often an elaborate structure built to honor and preserve the memory of an important person or family. Famous examples include the Taj Mahal and Bibi Ka Maqbara. Here is the information board detailing the history, architecture, and significance of the mausoleum, providing visitors with insights into its rich heritage and craftsmanship. The architectural design of this magnificent mausoleum was crafted by Ataullah and Haspat Rai, drawing clear inspiration from the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra. However, unlike the Taj Mahal, which was built entirely from white marble, this monument was constructed using a mix of marble and lime plaster due to budget constraints imposed by Emperor Aurangzeb. Despite this, the structure still exudes grandeur and elegance, showcasing the artistry of its time. This mausoleum is one of the rare Mughal structures built during Aurangzeb's reign, as he was known for his minimal patronage of grand architecture. Despite this, the monument stands as a symbol of love and remembrance, much like the Taj Mahal, but on a smaller and more modest scale, reflecting both devotion and architectural brilliance. As visitors step inside, they are greeted by the tomb of Dilruz Banu Begum, placed in a sunken chamber at the heart of the mausoleum. The main dome, adorned with intricate lattice screens, work, allows soft natural light to filter through, creating a serene and ethereal ambience. The chamber itself exudes a sense of peace and serenity, reflecting the deep reverence with which this monument was built. The interior walls of the mausoleum are adorned with delicate floral carvings and intricate calligraphy, reflecting the finicity of Mughal craftsmanship. At the center, the white marble tomb stands in striking contrast to the lime-plastered walls, showcasing a unique blend of Mughal architectural styles. Surrounding the monument, four elegant minarets rise from each corner, enhancing its grandeur and majestic presence. The atmosphere inside the mausoleum is calm and reverent, as it stands as a place of remembrance and devotion. Visitors often pause to admire the intricate craftsmanship and perfect symmetry of the monument, taking in its timeless beauty before stepping back into the lush open gardens that surround it. The actual grave of Dilrus Banu Begum lies below ground level, visible through intricate marble lattice screens, jali work. While her tomb is the main burial, some believe unmarked graves around the complex may belong to royal family members or attendants. Following Mughal tradition, the real tomb is placed beneath the cenotaph, symbolizing humility. The grand dome allows natural light to softly illuminate the chamber, adorned with calligraphy and floral motifs, creating a serene and spiritual ambience. Students from schools and colleges visit Bibi Ka Maqbara to explore its rich history, admire its stunning architecture, and enjoy an educational yet memorable experience. Students from schools and colleges visit Bibi Ka Maqbara to explore its rich history, admire its stunning architecture, and enjoy an educational yet memorable experience. A beautiful water fountain system leads up to the mausoleum, enhancing its grandeur. Surrounding it is a vast garden, designed with symmetrical Mughal landscaping. However, during the summer months, maintenance of the fountains and gardens may not be at its best due to the harsh weather conditions. The surrounding mountains provide a stunning natural backdrop to the mausoleum, enhancing its grandeur. These hills are part of the Sahyadri mountain range, known for their rugged terrain, lush greenery, and historical significance. During monsoon, the mountains turn vibrant green, while in summer, they take on a more arid, golden hue. The scenic beauty, combined with the historical charm of the monument, creates a picturesque and tranquil setting, making it a perfect spot for visitors to admire and capture memorable views. The Nizam Mosque, located within the Bibi Ka Maqbara complex, is a small yet historically significant place of worship. Built during the time of the Nizams of Hyderabad, it reflects traditional Islamic architecture, featuring arched entrances, intricate carvings, and a modest dome. Located near the mausoleum, the Nizam Mosque offers a serene and peaceful space for prayer within this historic site. Its architecture beautifully blends Mughal and Deccan influences, featuring elegant arches and intricate motifs that showcase the craftsmanship of its era. The mosque's spiritual ambience provides visitors with a tranquil retreat, allowing them to experience the essence of devotion and heritage. As a symbol of enduring Islamic history, it continues to serve as a place of worship for those visiting the mausoleum. The Nizams were the rulers of Hyderabad state from 1724 to 1948, belonging to the Asaf Jahi dynasty. They were known for their rich cultural heritage, patronage of architecture, and contributions to education, infrastructure, and the arts. The Nizams were among the wealthiest rulers in history, and their rule significantly influenced the Deccan region, including parts of present-day Telangana, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Now, as we conclude our visit, let's talk about how to reach Bibi Ka Maqbara. Located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, the monument is easily accessible by various modes of transport. By train, the nearest railway station is Aurangabad Railway Station, around 6 kilometers away, with frequent trains from major cities like Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, and Delhi. By air, the nearest airport is Aurangabad Airport, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport, about 12 kilometers away, with domestic flights connecting to Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. By road, Aurangabad is well connected by state and national highways, with regular buses and taxis available from nearby cities like Mumbai, 330 kilometers, Pune, 230 kilometers, and Nashik, 200 kilometers. Local auto rickshaws and cabs are the best options to reach the monument within the city. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, Support us by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned as we'll be back soon with another exciting video.